Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Frieda Full Repair, Strengthen and Restore range. And I posted this to my Instagram about 3 weeks ago, and I've been using it for 3 weeks now, and I have to say that this probably came at the best time because I recently went blonde, which if you guys have gone fully blonde, you know how crazy it is managing blonde hair. It is like, it's not a joke. It really isn't a joke. So I am barefaced today because we're talking all about the hair, and I will leave pictures on the screen for you guys to show you guys what my hair looked like before I colored my hair, first wash, this morning when I washed my hair, and how it looked once I blow dried it. So yeah, I was really excited to try out this range. I have the shampoo and the conditioner and the Hydrate and Rescue Deep Conditioning Treatment. So I have to say that I have been loving this range. I definitely do feel the power of this product in the shampoo. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever felt this before, but if I don't put conditioner in my hair, the texture of my hair just doesn't feel the same. You know what I mean? Anybody? I'm sure you guys know what I mean. But when I first bleached my hair, it was very like elasticy and like very easily breakable. And the first time I attempted to blow dry my hair, usually I just blow dry it from like damp and just blow dry it and all that, but I had to dry my hair almost fully in order to blow dry it straight, if that makes sense. And there was so much of breakage on, like, when I looked down on my lap, there was so much of breakage, so much of hair on my lap, and I was just like, wow, this is a lot. So when I used this range, I had no issues whatsoever. I didn't have an issue with my hair feeling elasticy and easily breakable. And I mean, I've had my hair bleached for a couple of weeks now, and you can't even see like any baby hairs apart from the ones I already had before I bleached. But you guys know when you generally bleach your hair for the first time, you experience a lot of breakage, and that has not happened to me. And I know a lot of people will say that you shouldn't wash your hair as often if you do have bleached hair, but my roots get oily quite quick, so I have to wash my hair at least every third to fourth day on a stretch. But I've been washing my hair like twice a week, and I definitely have to say that this range is really good. Like, I am not somebody to rave about hair care, but because I did go blonde, these are really amazing. So yeah, if you guys are going blonde, then I highly recommend this. I think it's really good. I mean, even the conditioner is really good. Now for me, a lot of deep conditioning treatments, I tried one before I tried this range, and it made my hair feel like it was dirty. Like, it felt like there was so much of product left in my hair, and I was just not happy with how my hair felt, because I was like, it feels dirty, man. Like, why does it feel like there's so much of product in it? And I was just really not happy with how my hair felt. And using these products, they literally do not weigh your hair down. It does say that it restores strength without weighing your hair down, and that's literally what it does. You don't have any issues with this conditioner. Because my hair is dyed from the like root to the tips, I do use this all over my hair length. But for the mask, they do reiterate that you need to use it only on the bottoms of your, does that make sense? Only on like the lower half of your hair. Like, you shouldn't put it on your scalp, if that makes sense, because it's very nourishing, so nourishing that it's not that healthy to put on your scalp, if that makes sense. And so yeah, it smells amazing. This range is really good, you guys. Like, it just smells so amazing. It makes my hair so easily manageable, and I literally cannot say enough things about this range. It's really good. So yeah, if you guys want, you know, if you guys want a range that is you know, suitable for color treated hair and hair that you generally style a lot during the week, then I highly recommend this range. And it's really good. It generally is really good. And it says it repairs 90% of damage, but to be honest, I actually haven't trimmed my hair since I cut it, and I just blow dried it today, and like the split ends are just as they were, if not looking slightly better than before I bleached my hair. So I don't know if that's making any sense, but I feel like my split ends were way worse than this, and I do have very healthy ends right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but like there's not a lot of split ends, maybe right towards the bottom, but there hasn't been more damage done to my hair, if that makes sense. And you guys know I work now, so I do style my hair every day or every second day. Like if I'm not straightening it, I'm curling it or doing something with it. So yeah, really hope you guys have enjoyed this quick video. I just thought I should let you guys know my thoughts on this John Frieda range. It's really good. And yeah, we'll definitely keep the hair updates coming, let you guys know if my hair falls out. You guys, like I said in my hair video, please do not try bleaching if you have no confidence in yourself to bleach your hair, because I've watched so many like scary videos where people's hair is like falling out. If you guys enjoy watching my hair care videos, comment down below and let me know. And if you want to see more hair tutorials from me, let me know also, because I'm all about that life. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.